Practice the chapter Greedy-Fat Old Man Part 3. Before I will ask some questions. Remember the chapter or the recap the chapter. It is the final part of the story. Part 1, Part 2, then Part 3. The greedy-fat old man, after eating a boy, he met a little squirrel, little dog. Then after eating a dog, he met a little squirrel. He met a little squirrel. The squirrel also asked the same question as the dog, and the boy asked the same question. Old man, what makes you so fat? The old man told him what the same things about he had told the little dog and the boy. He told that he had taken 2 mugs of tea, 2 liters of milk, 3 tins of biscuits and 5 pieces of cakes. And he also ate the boy and the little dog. He had eaten the boy and the dog. Then he said, if he can catch the little squirrel, he eat up. Then the little squirrel said, jump to the tree, and the greedy fat old man also followed him, and he climbed up the tree. Then the little squirrel jumped up the main branch of the tree. Then the old man climbed the main branch of the tree. Then the little squirrel climbed up the thin branch of the tree, or the small branch of the tree. In this time, the old man also climbed up the thin branch of the tree. This time, the thin branch. When the old man climbed up the thin branch broke down, and the old man fell down on the ground. His big belly burst out. The little boy and the little dog came out in his belly. The squirrel was never in, so he was out. How many tins of biscuits did the old man take? How many tins of biscuits did the old man take? The old man took 3 tins of biscuits in his breakfast. How many pieces of cakes did the old man take? The old man took 5 big pieces of cakes. How many liters of milk did the old man take? The old man took 2 liters of milk. How many liters? 2 liters of milk in his breakfast. Where did the squirrel jump up first? Where did the squirrel jump up first? The squirrel jumped up to a tree first. Then it jumped to the main branch of the tree. Where did the old man climb? Where did the old man climb? The old man climbed up the tree after the squirrel. Where did the squirrel jump at the end? First, the squirrel jumped up the tree, then he jumped the main branch of the tree, then At last, at the end, the squirrel jumped up a thin branch of the tree. Why did the old man fell down? The old man fell down because he climbed up the thin branch of the tree. The thin branch broke down and the old man fell down on the ground. What happened to the old man when he fell down? When the old man fell down on the ground, his big belly burst out and the little boy and the little dog came out his belly. Who came out? The little dog and the little boy came out of his belly. Why was the squirrel out? Why was the squirrel out? Because why was the squirrel out? The squirrel was out because he was never ever in. So he was out. Whom do you like most? The boy, the dog, or the squirrel? Which character do you like most? The squirrel's character I like most because the squirrel was the very clever animal. Now discuss choose the correct answer. The old man could not guess the dog, the boy, the squirrel. First, the old man cast the boy and let it out. Then he cast the dog and let it out. At the end, the squirrel, the old man could not catch the squirrel. The squirrel jumped up the tree. So the answer is the squirrel. Then the old man takes his big belly burst out, jumped up, died, fell down. When the old man takes his big belly burst out, the old man fell down on the ground. His big belly burst out. So the answer is fell down. Next, the squirrel was this active. Number 2, hazel. Number 3, active, hazel and little. So which one the answer? Only one active. Number 2, hazel. Number 3, active, hazel and little. The third one was the answer. Correct answer is active, hazel and little. Then at last the squirrel jumped up to a base of the tree. Thin branch, main branch, long branch. At first, the little squirrel jumped up to a tree. Then he jumped a thin main branch. At last, the squirrel jumped to a thin branch of the tree. So, at last the squirrel jumped up to a thin branch of the tree. Next, guess who's clever? The boy, the dog, or the squirrel? Who was clever? The squirrel was clever. The old man fell on the ground because the tree broke, the thin branch broke, the squirrel pushed him. Which one the answer? The tree broke or the thin branch broke or the squirrel pushed him? The second one the answer, the thin branch broke. When the squirrel jumped up the thin branch of the tree, the old man climbed up the thin branch of the tree to catch the squirrel. In this time, the thin branch broke down and the old man fell down on his ground. So, the thin branch broke. When the old man fell down, his days burst out. Head, big belly, stomach. Which one the answer? Big belly is the answer. Now, students write down, choose the correct answer in your question answer notebook. Thank you.